Okay, so today we're gonna clean this trailer deck. As you can see, it's already aged, and I want to clean it first, and then a couple of days from now I'll stain it. Probably the cedar look. But what you would need for sure, you can order it online, eBay. Sodium hydroxide. This is real potent stuff here, so be really careful. Gotta wear gloves, mask, eye protection, the whole works. And just put in a 2-gallon sprayer here, and don't use cold water. You need to use hot water when you're mixing this together. And then spray it on and rinse it off. That's how strong this stuff is. Stuff gets deep down in there. Now it's time to rinse it off. You just rinse it off. You can use a regular water hose. I don't have my pressure washer, so it's a little bit more time consuming, but that'll do the trick. There you go, all cleaned up. Could do another coating, but I'm good with it. Let it dry for a couple days, and then restain it, seal it. Be good to go for another couple years. Probably could have went over it a little bit more, sprayed it one more time, but like I said, I'm good how it looks. Ready for stain. Give it a couple days and should be good to go.